Guangzhou Jieti Biotechnology Company Limited is a prominent manufacturer specializing in laundry and home care fragrance products. Utilizing our modern 7,000 square meter production facility, we focus on the research, development and manufacturing of laundry detergent pods, dishwasher capsules, fragrance booster beads, and various multipurpose home cleaning products. Our company provides complete one-stop OVM and ODM solutions for clients worldwide. We have established an extensive global distribution network through 3 Alibaba international storefronts and branch offices in Guangzhou and Wuhan, maintaining consistently outstanding sales performance. Our proven track record of successful collaborations with numerous renowned domestic and international brands enables us to deliver trustworthy and professional services to every client. Quality forms the foundation of our operations. All products strictly adhere to international certification standards including CE, REACH, and ISO 9001, supported by a reliable supply chain system that guarantees consistent product quality. The company has received multiple 3L-level certifications including 3A Integrity Management Demonstration Unit and China 315 Integrity Enterprise, reflecting our strong commitment to ethical business conduct and superior customer service. From initial professional consultation to comprehensive after-sales support, we are committed to delivering complete process service assurance, building mutually beneficial partnerships with all our clients. By continuously investing in R&D and leveraging cutting-edge technology, we innovate to create superior, eco-friendly products that meet evolving market needs. Our expert team ensures meticulous attention to detail and efficient project management, driving shared success and global customer satisfaction.